welcome to Beerstories. This video is about topmashing, what it is, why we do it, and when we do it. If you like the video, please click like down below and click subscribe, and you get the news videos directly in your YouTube feed, and you'll make me very happy. And also find me on Facebook and Instagram. That would really help me out a lot. Well, topmashing, what is it? Well, basically it is what the word says. You mash on top of the other mash. So on top of your grain bill, you just add some extra to it there. So what I always do is my dark grains, I add them on the top in the last 15 minutes of my mash. What that will do is give a more rounded flavor, and all those burnt, bitter astringency will not be as significant as if when you mash it full time. So dark grains, black malts, chocolate malts, if you just add them the last 15 minutes just on top of the other mash, it will give a more rounded flavor. It's great for stouts, especially porters, where you don't want that burnt sensation. It's really great. But also in stouts, it just gives it, it's just more round and not that astringent. Yeah. But that's only 15 minutes. That's enough to draw out all the colors and the good flavors. One other place I always do a top mash is flaked oats. Flaked oats contain a lot of beta glucans, which will thicken up your mash. So you can get a stock mash, or you can get lumps of dough in your mash, so that it actually won't retrieve any sugar or anything from that, from the lumps or tunnels in your mash. But if you top mash your oats, just put in your mash as usual, and then spray your oats on top. Then you can much more easily stir it around and make sure there are no lumps and no tunnels. It will just give you maybe it probably give you high efficiency, and just give the full benefit of putting the oats in. Yeah, basically that's it. Top mashing is super easy, but it's a good trick to have in your book. So if you have any questions, write to me, write them in the comments, or contact me as well. Other than that, then just have a happy brewing out there.